Number 20. The diagram shows some of the structures in a human lung. Where is the carbon dioxide concentration highest? So it looks like the blood is flowing from here and it goes out through here. So it says from pulmonary artery. So pulmonary means lungs. Artery means the blood vessel that transports blood from the heart. So B has blood, the blood vessel B has blood from the heart that goes to the lungs. So this is called alveoli. And it provides gas exchange. So it provides oxygen and takes out the carbon dioxide. So B probably will be the blood vessel that has the highest carbon dioxide concentration. So blood flows in order to get rid of the carbon dioxide, and it also enters the lungs to obtain more oxygen. So B has a lot of carbon dioxide first, and as soon as it travels and goes out, the carbon dioxide in the blood has decreased a lot. Okay? So B is the right answer for this one.